So excuse the filth. It's been at the shop and it is absolutely fucking covered in shit. But here's the new setup. So FD intake manifold. This is a Obsidian Labs adapter plate. Fucking fit perfectly. Thank you, Sean. The full function engineering piece kind of put my throttle body back on the other side, which I hate. So I'm probably going to draw the throttle body, use larger studs, and do it that way. Because this should really be on that side to make it fit better, period. Because I could have a whole bunch of room right here, but instead I have no room here, and now a wiry piece that comes out there ugly. That should be right here. Just makes way more sense. This AC line, this is factory FC AC that fits on the FB. Very cool. But this is going to be bent over here and be tilted down, so this is now running underneath the charge piping. Of course, once I get rid of this loose mess of wires, I'll have a direct charge piping from there to there. Let's see, what else do I have for you guys? So this is the secondary throttle blade, which is vacuum actuated. So that's gonna be really cool. That's gonna be controlled with a Honda IAB solenoid that I took off the Integra. And yeah, we're getting ready to go. We definitely have a lot of fabrication ahead of us. And
ready to run?
No, not yet. Eventually. So it is what it is.